Hello, fellow traders. So, natural gas has just started doing a very interesting move, and I thought of sharing with you guys as I also took this trade today. So, since the war, in which we have this high peak here in July of 2022, natural gas has been declining, and then it reached a bottom in July of 2024 and started to rise. One of the main factors that made it rise was the winter conditions because it's used more, the storage is drawn from more during winter. And there was also a scarcity of natural gas in some parts of the world, which made the U.S. export more, and then the prices continued to rise. So, if we look now, what the price has been doing today and in recent weeks, we have uh, this situation here, which I'm going to explain. Don't worry. Um, I think the 4 hour chart is the most suitable for this. So we have it has been rising in this channel that we have where I'm marking right now, as you guys can see. I need to clean this chart a little bit, but basically we have this big channel that has been rising since 2024, and it finally reached a peak right here at uh, close to $5. Um, then it started to there is a resistance point. Let me show you guys. There is a resistance point right here on this. I'm going to change the color of this to yellow. This resistance at 4.23, $4.23. It tried to it tried to it broke through the resistance, and then when it tried to consolidate, it fell again to the previous level between 423 and 3 uh, 387. And then today, during this Jerome Powell's speech, he actually uh, had a pullback from the fall. So the fall movement started here, and now he had a pullback that um, that actually put it back above the $4.23. However, the RSI, let's analyze the RSI now. So the RSI, the stochastic RSI, is already in overbought condition. So the next movement should be for a sell-off. And then if we look at the 1 day chart, we have the stochastic RSI in oversold, but the normal RSI just the purple line just hit the yellow line, and the next movement is most likely in this direction. These points, all these points together, and considering that um, he also respected the the new $4.23 resistance line. Instead of it didn't consolidate above it, but rather the candle uh, tried to break through and didn't really manage it. Uh, so considering all that, we can infer that the price would be trading in this range right here. But to be more precise, we actually also have a new channel forming that basically a very new channel, because it wasn't there until these past days. If you guys look at my previous natural gas video, you'll be able to understand this a little bit better. But basically the channel that there's a peak here, there's a bottom right here, and considering that it just oh, hold on a second, considering that it just hit these two tops here, we can form one in which it hit exactly like this couldn't be better. Like this setup, this is a once in a lifetime kind of thing. This setup couldn't be better. It hit exactly the spot where the price is right now. The channel hit that exact spot. So this is the best and most perfect situation if you want to take a short position and sell natural gas, short sell natural gas, because considering the new channel, we now have the price possibly falling from here all the way down here, which would be um, let me take the tool here. Too much information on my screen. I'm gonna make that better in the future, which is uh, almost 9% drop minimum, almost 9% drop minimum. Um, it could first fall to the 390 uh, resistance line. So this would be the perfect, absolutely perfect moment to short sell. If you're looking to buy, if you're looking to buy natural gas, my strategy would be to wait until until it breaks through the channel. It's gonna should break out from the channel and then consolidate above the yellow line of 423. Um, as a it would become a support. Then I would sell. I would buy. I would take a long position, but I don't think this is going to happen. So I'm sticking with the short position here. And let's take a look at the weekly chart just to have more confirmation. Here, wow, I really need to clean this chart. But here we have a very obvious channel going up, and now he kind of hit a wall right here where the downward channel starts, and we can see that both RSIs the RSI have been has been in the buying zone for some time and made a double top, while the stochastic RSI is also between bought and overbought, which makes it, putting all the data together, makes it a favorable condition to uh, sell. And we could also consider the seasonality of the seasonality of the asset, which means that this particular asset has been let me just find it here. um, as I was saying, this is the seasonality for natural gas prices, which means which shows us the pattern of price regarding the time of year. And 2025 is the blue one, and we can see that both in 2024 2023 there was a downward trend in the prices uh, right after. So they made a peak and started to decline at this time. And again, here we have a peak, and the next step should be a decline. This is because of how natural gas stocks and natural gas storage is used in each time of the year, which tends to repeat in cycles. There's also an energy report by the US government. I'm gonna open it. Well, actually, the report itself I'm gonna leave for the next video. If you guys would like me to um, explain it, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And I hope I explained my reasoning between regarding taking a short position. Um, and if you have any questions at all, leave me in the comments. And regarding the report, basically it's the same idea but more detailed, where obviously the prices, well, not obviously, but in natural gas the prices have a cyclical change where you have a downward trend upward trend, um, downtrend, upward trend, and the next one would be a downward trend. And the report by the US government, I can explain if you guys would like me to. Just let me know in the comments. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. That really helps a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one.